Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve language acquisition with Mango Languages step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on the Mango Languages website or app. Choose the language you want to learn. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. Explore the Getting Started section for a brief overview. Select a course that aligns with your goals, whether it's for travel, work, or casual conversation. Begin with the basics, focusing on vocabulary and essential phrases. Utilize the audio feature to hear correct pronunciation by native speakers. Practice speaking along with the audio prompts to enhance your speaking skills. Take advantage of the interactive exercises to reinforce what you learn. Set a daily goal for practice time, even if it's just 15 minutes. Use the review system to revisit previously learned content. Engage with the cultural insights provided in each lesson to enrich your understanding. Apply what you've learned in real-life situations whenever possible. Make a habit of regularly checking for updates to your courses. Join online communities or forums for additional support and practice. Track your progress to stay motivated and see how far you've come. Remember to be patient with yourself, as language acquisition takes time. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep your enthusiasm high. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.